Ever dreamed of turning your childhood favorite into a game? Today, as a solo dev, I'll show you how I kicked off my Wizard of Oz-inspired adventure by starting a game design document. Stick around to learn how this simple step can make your solo project epic and avoid total chaos. Hi, I'm Owen Creve, a back-end developer with over 15 years of experience. I'm building my own game solo, with no prior game dev skills, using just my coding expertise, AI tools, and passion for video games. The Wizard of Oz has been my jam since I was 4. Read it then, and I've revisited it countless times. Dorothy's journey from Kansas to that wild, colorful world? Pure magic. The idea to turn it into a game has been brewing in my head forever, but only now, with killer AI tools and some solid self-organization, can I pull it off solo. This isn't my first big solo project, but it's my game dev debut. So, my game? It's a 2D platformer action RPG retelling Dorothy's story. You'll make moral choices that change the world. Not everyone wins with your decisions, so no pure good or evil path. 4 endings keep it replayable. The key mechanic? Granting wishes. Decide whose dreams come true, reshaping Oz as you go. It's a mix of Metroidvania exploration and Souls-like challenge. Health and stamina bars, 1 currency for upgrades and buys, 5 to 6 skills to level up. I've planned about 17 weapon types, including strength-based melee for heavy hits, ranged options for distance, dexterity melee with extended reach but lower damage, and stealth weapons for high critical strikes. Magic comes from those iconic silver slippers. Slot in special pearls you find to expand powers, and upgrade them like your character. Expect plenty of unique puzzle rooms for progression or hidden upgrades. Realistic for a noob like me? Absolutely. Sticking to 2D keeps it doable. Now, the real tip for solo devs? Start with a game design document. I use Notion, super free and flexible. Right away, I outlined mechanics, 18 levels, 1 boss per level, and those 4 endings. Placed key events and upgrades so I know the big picture. This lets me track progress without getting lost. Here's an example on how I sketch levels. This diagram groups levels areas by color. Pink is for dangerous areas, yellow for doors and shortcuts, green for loot zones, etc. This helps visualize flow. I don't follow a strict structure for the document. Instead, I record everything noteworthy and add any thoughts that come to mind. I organize it by locations, starting with the first one in detail, while keeping only basic information for the others. I listed items there too, expanding as I go, and used AI to gen inventory images. Boom. Visual refs without art skills. UI's not done yet, just temp boxes, no fancy graphics. This setup? It's my roadmap to sanity as a solo dev. Right now, creating this game is more fun than playing others, though that might change, time will tell. If you're a solo dev, consider starting a GDD in something like Notion, Google Docs, or even a simple notebook. It could really help organize your ideas. Next video, how I generated character and NPC sprites with AI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more dev adventures.